Hey, welcome you all. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about Stylem reviews? Watch the video till then because in this video we are going to check out the authenticity of this portal and we are going to give you unbiased review on this said portal. So let's check out the detail as people from United Kingdom are very curious to know about its legitimacy. It is a newly launched portal. Stylem.com offers a wide range of unique collection of watches, rings, chains, pendant, bracelets, and sunglasses for both men and women. The company chose to offer only trending products of the latest models and superior quality. So, as a buyer, you can get here a wide range of product to select as per your preference. And the company offers 24/7 customer service for any assistance. So, let's check out the specification of Stylem.com. It is HTTP secured website. It was registered on 19 June 2021 for just 1 year. Moreover, the portal does not mention any official address to check out its authenticity. You have the number that is only WhatsApp support. As far as shipping is concerned, for UK it is 12 working days to ship the order. The company does not cancel an order once it is packed. Customer can return the goods within 14 days from delivery they receive. The positive point of Stylem.com are as buyer can get a wide range of accessories and pieces of jewelry of the latest trend. The website is SSL secured. It denotes that the website maintains online payment security. Buyers can get details of every product. The company welcomes individuals get collaborated with them. You can find details of the policies on the portal. Cons of shopping from Stylem.com are the website has just 1 month old. Its trust index is extremely poor. To count on the portal, we could not find reliable feedback from the buyers only. No social media page is available. As we all know, the customers across the globe always want to check buyers' reviews before they start buying products from any new online portal. For Stylem, we have searched for feedbacks from previous buyer, but unfortunately we could not find any authentic review. Buyers can find some reviews on the product page on the portal, but all these are 5-star mark, hence we cannot comment that these are reliable. So we can say that in our research we found that the company deals in 20 products for men and women, but there is no authentic feedback for from previous buyers could be found. So we suggest new buyers to make your own research, a well research before buying any product, so you will make a wise decision for your shopping. Meanwhile, you can wait for some genuine reviews to come that will help you either you should buy the product or to move on. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from Style.com, please do share your personal experience in the comment area. We will love to hear from you.